All right, got the old venting out. So I wanted to show you what that looks like. I have a big open space above the water heater all the way over. Oh, wrong direction. Yep, right up there. So that's where the one connection was up here. That came all the way through, down and around and here. So I took that out. So, not sure about you, but when you take some of the old stuff out, you kind of wonder, how did it get that bad? So, this is what that original piping actually looked like, again. And definitely to be desired, for sure. So, definitely have to make sure that the new pipes, wow, look at how filthy it is in there. Not sure if you can really see it too good or not, but I see a lot of soot and debris. And you can even see a little daylight down there if you actually look. See the daylight? Whoa. Not sure if I can angle this phone to see it, but yeah, there's definitely daylight down there. Yep, there it is. Right? So, anytime you see the cracks when you actually look inside the pipe, that's what the issue was. So, don't want to essentially fix the water heater for that to be the issue. So, now I have my work ahead of me. So, got the old part out that I needed as far as a thermocouple, and just need to make sure the fitting for the new B venting will actually work with the existing configuration. So, stay tuned, more in store. Bye.